Hey guys, today we are in Robinson, Pennsylvania to go to Build-A-Bear. We're gonna go in there and look at their Halloween choices. Stella is gonna get her first Build-A-Bear ever, and we're gonna film it, and you guys are coming with us. Are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Stella and Hunter?
Yeah.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
You gonna ride the escalator?
Yeah.
Let's go ride it over here. Your first time ever on an escalator. Your dad loved to ride these. Let's see if he's still got the old touch getting on that thing. Here she goes.
Be careful getting on. There you go. Whoa. She made it.
Is that fun?
No.
I see Build-A-Bear, Stella. Stella, it's over there. Let's head over that way, okay? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. It's over here. There it is. Stand in front of that big bear, we'll get your picture. There's, look at me.
Look, Stella.
Here, look. Just look at the bears. Show you guys. There's a Girl Scout bear. Pumpkin glow bear. That one lights up. Couple more. There's a Reed Teddy. Chase. Timeless teddy bear. Look at, there's a werewolf and a purple magic kitty. Let's take a look at the witch. Those are cute. Stella's just excited. She's just running everywhere.
One that looks like a witch outfit.
Stitch. A lot of them to choose from. And Island Girls. Toothless. Just plenty of them, guys. Somebody playing a guitar. And we have some dinosaurs down at this end. There's a raptor. Pokemon. Look at this one. Spider-Man bear for 36. Let's see which ones were. Which one? What you got? Let me see that one. Wow, let me look at that. Boy, that's pretty. Is that the one you like the best?
We will make it.
What are you gonna do with it? You gonna put?
What do you want to put on? You want Halloween clothes?
E.T. Go around this side.
Do you want the witches?
Lot of choices. Stella's kind of overwhelmed here. Harry Potter. I didn't know they had this much stuff in here. Got the little outfits for Harry Potter. Let's see what's back here.
We don't have a lot of them, but we have a roar, which goes well with the bear. And then we have a record your own sound, and we have a giggle.
Sounds like you, Stella.
That sounds like you laughing, doesn't it? Would you like to put that in there or a roaring sound?
You want to roar.
You like that one still?
I like this one.
Okay, can I have the giggle back?
Okay,
You want the roaring.
And you guys mentioned, so I'll show you guys the heartbeat. If he holds it, it feels like a heart. Do you want to hold it?
Like this stuff? Yeah.
Awesome.
What you got? What is that?
The heart.
You gonna put that inside that bear?
Give her your
They're gonna put. Now she's gonna make the bear.
Thank you. Can I have the sound too?
Give her the sound.
You can hold on to the heartbeat for a little bit.
She's gonna put all this stuff in there. She's gonna stuff it. Wow, what is it? All this stuff's gonna go in that bear. What do you think of that? Yes,
That's green.
see it turning green. Okay, make the bear. Turn around and let me watch it. Look, they're making it. Watch her.
Keep stepping on it.
Step back on it.
Stepping on it.
You gotta make that bear. Are you making that bear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right.
You want to go ahead and give it a squeeze? Tell me if you like it.
Squeeze it.
Is it nice and soft for you? Do you like it? Can I see it? Alright, so I'm going to put your heartbeat in. While I do that, can you get me a fabric card?
Right in there.
Right here, Stella. Pick one out. Grab one.
Alright, just hold on for a second for me while I put your heartbeat in. But before you put that part in, can you hold it in your hands for me and get it all warm? And then can you shake it so it's got a heartbeat? And then can you wave it in the air so your bear's full of energy? Awesome! And then can you hold it on your heart and close your eyes and make a wish for the best Halloween ever? Awesome! And then go ahead and put it in. Great job! Alright, here you go. So if you squeeze this paw, it makes the roar. And if you give it a big squeeze on the tummy, you can feel the heartbeat.
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
Let me hear it roar again.
Squeeze the paw for the roar.
Oh, the paw.
Hit the.
Right here?
Yep.
There's the roar. There it is. There. Let me see. Hey. Oh, now we're gonna put some clothes.
Alright, there you go.
Wow, look at that. Let me see, and I'll turn it around. Let's get your picture. Hold it beside you. Stella made her bears. We're gonna look at a couple items. She's having fun running around. We're gonna look at these candy bar ones. Have Hershey's Kisses and a Reese cup. You can turn one of the bears into Hershey's Kiss. Look at these. More Halloween ones down there. Halloween section with accessories. There's one down the bottom with skeletons. Bobby, which one would you get if you were getting one? Did you see this one? It's a werewolf.
You'd probably like that one.
Yeah. I like this one too. This one lights up.
I like the one Stella got.
Yeah, that is pretty with the witch.
Yeah.
I didn't realize they had that
I
many.
saw the purple kitten, magical kitten. That would be nice too for Halloween.
That goes good with the Halloween costume of
Yes.
the witch. We saw that, I think, in Pigeon Forge. And they have plenty of dinosaurs down there. Let's go back here and just look. There's the Honey Girls. Bobby, what do you think of this? The bears can drive in style. You can buy that accessory, put them in a car. But look at the chairs.
I like the chair.
Cute.
There.
Oh, now I see something. Hunter better not see this section over here. Hunter, come over here and look at this. Here's a section Hunter would like. Hunter, what do you think about that one?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
You want that on your Christmas list?
Yeah, you can throw it on there.
You want that or the Riddler?
Batman.
Batman. Some local flair with the Pirates, the Steelers, and the Penguins. USA. There's a wheelchair for a bear. $28. It's got everything in one of these places. Haven't been in one of these for a while. Oh, we went in that one last year. Bobby picked up one.
Here, tell Granddad about your
Tell me
bear.
about your bear. What is it?
It's a heart. And I got
Let him hear the growl. Where's the
Does it got a,
growl?
what does it do?
With that one? It's got a nice witch's hat.
Did you put that witch's hat on there? Did you pick that out?
What's her name?
Does it have a name?
What's her name? We call your bear.
Bill.
It's
Bear.
Bear. The name is Bear. How about Witchy Poo?
Yeah.
Don't like Witchy Poo? That was a big character when I was growing up.
Isabella.
Isabella. Boy, that's a good name. Is that the bear's name? Wow,
That's
that's
the name I like. I don't know
nice.
what she's going to call it.
What's Daddy think of all this?
Yeah, she likes it. That's all that matters.
You gonna sleep with that tonight? Okay. Here it comes. Wow. Is that fun? Your dad used to say, let's go up the other side. Then we go up, back down, up and down, up and down. That's all he did.
Big stick. There you go.
Wow. Hey, tell me about riding out. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Your bear rode that too. Where'd he go? Where is the bear? There, Isabella. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our trip to Build-A-Bear with Stella. Her first bear she ever made.
I think she did a good job.
Yeah, look at that.
Taking it out. What's Stella? Let's hear that roar one more time.
One more time. Well, she had a lot of fun, so if you guys want to pick up any of those Halloween ones, I don't know how much longer they'll be in there, but they have a pretty good selection. We all had a good time watching Stella make that bear.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J and B
have left the building. We are at Mission BBQ. What'd that lady give you up there? Did she give you something? Did she give you a brownie? Let me see it. Wow, that is a big brownie. And what do you have to eat? French fries? What else? Macaroni and cheese. Hunter, what'd you get?
Pulled pork and coleslaw.
Let's take a look at that pulled pork, see how much they gave you. Plenty on there. Nice coleslaw. Bobby got the pulled pork. Look at that stack. And I got pulled pork and some sausage, piece of cornbread, baked beans. Little bonus coverage for you guys out there. Bobby and I come often to this Mission BBQ here outside of Pittsburgh, here in Robinson. And we left my dad's picture here and finally found it. There he is in that white frame. Picture of my dad. He would be proud to be up on the wall here with all these veterans. It's really nice that they do that. Highly promoting Mission BBQ. If you guys got one in your area, make sure to go there.